Very good morning, friends. Are you looking out for a job in cybersecurity or any field? Are you a job seeker? In case the answer is yes, then stay tuned in this video. Here I'm going to talk about all the domains in cybersecurity. What are the trainings you need? What are the skills you need? What is the market? What are the job openings? Whatever you need to know as a beginner to make your career, shape your career, and get inside a work cubicle. So, are if you have any of the question which is listed in this slide, stay tuned. Okay. I'm going to talk about cybersecurity overall. If you have seen my last video, I have explained this in detail about different functions in cybersecurity, different rules in a cybersecurity domain. Okay, so overall, we have one vertical in cybersecurity which is called as offensive security. Offensive security, in layman language, is called as hacking. Whenever you are trying to target any particular destination or object, and you are trying to see whether this can be hacked or not, those kind of profiles are coming under offensive security. In next slide, I'm going to talk in detail about that. Second slide, or the second field functionally in cybersecurity, is called as defensive security. And third field in cybersecurity where you have seen or you can get a lot of jobs are governance, risk, and compliance. Let me put myself here. So these are predominantly three main fields in cybersecurity, and these are different teams in any organization. You will have different team for offensive security, you'll have different team for defensive security, and there will be separate sort of people who will be working on GRC. So what the hell is this team? Let's talk about that in detail. Let's say if you are talking about offensive security, as I said, is a kind of attitude where you are trying to target a machine or system and attack it and see whether this can be attacked or not. Those mentality in layman language or in simple language hacking, those things comes under offensive security of cybersecurity. These are all the list of tools which is commonly worked into cybersecurity offensive security domain. In case if you really wanted to make your career, just have a hands on all this. Doesn't need to have hands on all these tools. Few of the tools, even if you have hands on, they can definitely help you in getting a job, right? Let's talk about overall different domains in cybersecurity. As I said, offensive, defensive, and GRC are these three functional unit, I would say. But apart from that, there are different rules in cybersecurity. For example, identity and access management. As I told you last time, guys, identity and access management has become a very nice career path from past few days. Okta, ForgeRock, Azure, CyberArk, Archon. These are really very nice tool, very popular tool, almost enterprise level are using those tools. If you get hands-on experience on any of these tools, you are having a very high chance to get a job in market. And as I said, guys, you doesn't need to have hands-on all the tools. You just need to understand the concept, understand the process, understand the working aspect of this tool. In case if you're looking for such kind of training, I'm going to help you in my upcoming session, which is about all-in-one cybersecurity, where I am going to talk about all of this hands-on. The people who know me, they know that I give only one session or hardly two batch in entire year. So this could be my first or maybe last batch of 2025. In case if you're interested, please come and join me. Let's continue to the video. uh, Defensive security is another domain in cybersecurity. As I said, identity access management only talks about identity of user and access management. Who is the user, what kind of access he should have, and they are doing only that task. Whereas security operations center, SOC, is one of the very popular job in market from past few years, at least 6 7 years. I have seen market is going like crazy. Every time you will see lot of openings with the title of SOC analyst, SIEM administrator, incident responder, SOC analyst. These are very popular course. Some of the tools, some of the certifications I have written here, if you see this round circle, these are very nice certification which can really help you to get a job as a SOC analyst or a security analyst in any organization. These are the tools: Logarithm, IBM, Sekion, Profess, Arcside. These are good SIM tool. However, Profess is more to do with WAF, but still it has some components of SIM. If you are an iron scale is more like a endpoint and email security solution. But when you talk about security or defensive security, it is not just about SOC. Apart from SOC, there are whatever the tools and technology, how you are defending your organization, these all things comes under defensive security. Okay. Let's talk about another domain, which is governance, risk, and compliance. One of the very, very high demanding jobs from past few years. I have seen even freshers are getting hired in very high companies, like on very high package in very high consulting organization. Okay, so in case if you are looking to make your career and you are not that much tech savvy, you doesn't like technology so much, then governance, risk, and compliance is going to be one of the very high paying job, stable job, and it really has lot of to offer to even to the freshers also. So in case if you're looking to make your career not mostly into technology but semi technical side, then governance, risk, and compliance is going to be one of the very promising role for you guys. In case if you are looking to have a hands on training, I am there for you guys, and I am going to help you not only to give you live training, hands-on training, but also going to prepare you for the mock interview and resume preparation. This, as I said, one time and maybe last time in this year. In case if you guys are interested, the number is there in description. Please come and join me, and I'm going to help you the best way I can. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your giving me your time, and wish you a great day.